There is no noise, no rush, only the soft whisper of leaves and distant animal movements. The air is fresh, carrying scents of earth and morning dew. Sunlight drifts gently, dew sparkles, and birds sing timeless melodies. In this stillness, worries fade, hope returns quietly, and the heart feels lighter. Life's simplest moments, swaying trees, shimmering dew, a bird's song, reveal profound peace and connection. As you breathe in, the warmth of the sun embraces you, and every small detail, the gentle ripple of a stream, the shimmer of a dragonfly's wings, feels alive, reminding you that life's beauty exists in quiet, fleeting moments. Here you simply are, part of a world that moves with grace. And in that presence, your spirit finds calm and joy.